Some people say the Cronos chain is dead, but it just flipped one of the biggest cryptocurrencies out in the market right now, Cardano, in TVL on DeFi. Now, to be transparent with you guys, the Cronos chain has been struggling in terms of lackluster when it comes to total value getting locked up into the ecosystem. Since we came out of a bear market, we really haven't seen a lot of volume come to the Cronos chain. But I want to talk about how Cronos just flipped Cardano in TVL after recently Cardano had passed Cronos. We're going to talk about this trend, what comes next for Cronos, where we're at with the price action on Cronos right now, and some of the other stories surrounding this today. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and I want to get into it for you. We're going to talk about all things crypto, but focus in on Cronos versus Cardano and the rest of the altcoins in the ecosystem that have to do with DeFi that we are seeing this coin and this project compete against. Guys, today, Bitcoin is still below $40,000 after the sell-off that just came a couple weeks back, 1 or 2 weeks ago now, from the Bitcoin ETF that just launched here in the US, which is something that a lot of investors were expecting. We're looking at the price of Cronos right now, which is at rank number 41 with a $2 billion market cap. What I want to highlight for you guys is Cardano, okay? Cardano is what we're talking about with Cronos today. It is ranked number 8. It is the 8th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's a layer 1 solution, a competitor to Ethereum, to Solana, to Cronos, to Avalanche, guys. This is a platform that people are building decentralized Web3 applications on. Cardano, it's ranked number 8, and it's got a $16 billion market cap with a B. That is 8x bigger than Cronos. But when you look at what's going on today and you look at the total value locked up in chains, you will see that Cronos has a more robust DeFi ecosystem than Cardano. There's 105 protocols on Cronos versus 33 on Cardano, and there is $322 million locked up into Cronos versus 320 locked up into Cardano. I'm going to refresh this page to see if it flipped back because these things do change throughout the day. No, Cronos is still ahead of it just by about $2 million right now. Now, these are going to continue to fluctuate, and if you've been watching Cronos with us here on this channel for a while, you would have noticed that Cronos was actually up in the top 10 for a while. Recently, Manta, Pulse Chain seemingly came out of nowhere. Base. Eventually, I do expect Bitcoin to flip probably both Cronos and Cardano because Bitcoin is Bitcoin. I even have predicted that Stacks is going to be coming up and competing with these other top 10 DeFi projects. But it is interesting to see, and what I want to point out to you is that Cronos has flipped Cardano in market cap. And what's very interesting about, not in market cap, excuse me, in total value locked up in the DeFi ecosystem. Now, what's very interesting to me, again, is remember that the market cap of Cardano is much bigger, 8x bigger roughly than Cronos. And we've also talked a lot about Binance versus Cronos, and the Binance Smart Chain is much bigger, and the Binance market cap for the BNB token is much bigger. And so that makes a little more sense. But there's definitely a question here when you start realizing, okay, so Cardano's market cap is 8x bigger than Cronos, but the Cronos DeFi ecosystem is $2 million more in TVL than Cardano. So is Cardano extremely undervalued in the DeFi ecosystem, or is Cronos extremely undervalued on its market cap? Well, I think both are true, to be honest with you. You know, Cardano, similar to Cronos, has kind of gotten left by the wayside. The difference is main influencers on YouTube, on Twitter, talk about Cardano a lot more. It seems that people still haven't caught on to how good the Cronos chain is, or the promise of the Cronos chain and its partnership with crypto.com Capital and some of the insights that they're able to provide and some of the DEXs that are being built on this platform. But I do think at some point in this next bull cycle, we are going to see this chain get more recognition. If you go over to the Twitter, they do have 248K followers on their page. They're in their 3rd accelerator program for Web3, just another one coming out. They are investing in themselves, trying to get more people to build in this ecosystem, which is great to see. You know, I do check in on this very, very often. One of the biggest things going on right now, and they are spotlighting it on their Twitter page, is Corgi AI. Corgi AI is the biggest meme coin on Cronos, and it is the 5th or 4th largest meme coin in existence. It came from Cronos. Meme coins bring attention to different chains. You've seen it happen with Avalanche. You've seen it happen with Solana because of Bonk. And I think we're going to see it with Cronos as well at some point in this next bull cycle. Recently, the ETFs have been growing in big numbers. Officially, the net inflows see a total of 955 million in the first 8 days. Now, there's money being pulled out of Coinbase stock and out of MicroStrategies right now, and even out of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, but the net inflows are a net positive. We will see more money come into this space. If you look at where we're at in this market right now, it has only just begun. We believe a bull market's coming, and we've been creating content for you guys daily to get you ready for this trend that we've noticed that we believe is going to continue. And what we're going to see is more projects get funding. What you're looking at now is the total money that was raised for new projects in previous cycles in the history of it. And you'll see in peaks of bull cycles, there is massive amount of money that just start flowing in. Billions of dollars that start flowing in to ICOs, into new investments, into new DeFi protocols, maybe for Cardano and for Cronos, and some of the new and uprising chains, layer 1 solutions, and for layer 2 solutions, there's going to be more money coming in from major players, especially now, again, that we have an ETF that's been approved and we see money flowing into this space. We might see more development come to these DeFi ecosystems. Specifically, I've seen some of these ETF managers that have launched some of these ETFs are putting money to Bitcoin developers. Well, inevitably, there's going to be people looking for more opportunities for investment. These big money players are going to want to invest in some of the most successful things. And it is hard to argue that crypto.com is not a successful exchange yet. It is the most highly regulated exchange on the earth right now, next to Coinbase. And I think it has a very bright future personally. The price action for CRO right now is still below 8 cents. I do believe that we could see a 6.7, 6.5 cent CRO possibly if Bitcoin continues to kind of float around this area. If we get Bitcoin to move up, I think Cronos can come up with it. If Bitcoin moves further, then we'll talk about some of the targets as we continue to keep an eye on the markets. That's my update for you guys today. Cronos flipped Cardano today. Let's check in on it throughout the days, and we'll keep you guys posted on the latest and greatest in crypto. If you want to leverage trade and take advantage of volatility in crypto, sign up for Femex using our link in the description down below. If you want to become a member on this channel and get special attention on our live streams, access to our private Discord, you can become a member in the link as well down below. You get access to our Discord where you can talk directly with Black C and I and the rest of the Crypto Report community. That is all I got for you guys in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. It's the #1 thing you can do to support this channel if you like the content. Subscribe, smash a like, and don't forget, guys, DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night, everybody. 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.